Hello everyone. Today we will share with you our top 10 tips on how to manage stress from work. Before we start, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to help us make more videos. Tip number 1, start your day with simple joys. Set your alarm early enough to enjoy your breakfast, drink some coffee, dress up, and drive for work. With this, you can start your day on a calm and positive note. Use this time to reassure, motivate, and inspire yourself that today will be better than yesterday. Tip number 2, identify your stressors. For a week or two, write down situations that stressed you, how you responded to it, and how you can resolve or avoid it. This will help you identify and understand what's burning you out, such as skipped meals, long commute, urgent deadlines, workplace tensions, etc. Tip number 3, declutter your desk. Allot a few minutes at the start and end of each day to declutter and organize your desk. Getting rid of clutter can instantly make you feel calmer, happier, and more in control. Tip number 4, schedule your day and keep your focus. Having a clear plan in mind on the tasks that you should accomplish for the day can greatly reduce your stress at work. Multitasking can be efficient, but also very daunting. It's good to keep a checklist to help you prioritize your work. Focus first on those that are urgent and important, then balance out the rest throughout the day. Allot time for each task to avoid immersing yourself in a single task that can prevent you from completing the rest. Tip number 5, establish boundaries in the workplace. Being available at all times will definitely burn you out. It's important to establish clear boundaries between your work and extra work to avoid unnecessary stress. Try not to volunteer the next time someone needs help, and allow others to help instead. Also, rather than doing tasks for others, consider teaching them the basics, so they can learn and do it on their own. Prioritize your urgent and important tasks before taking on extra work from others. Tip number 6, keep calm and relaxed. A great way to reduce stress in the workplace is to do small exercises throughout the day. Try doing simple stretches or short walks every now and then to break the physical and mental effects of stress. If your work allows it, try listening to calming music while working to lift your mood. When you're stressed, you may also have a tendency to read into every situation and comment with a negative light. Instead of making automatic assumptions, try to steer away from negative thoughts and either ignore them or take them constructively. Tip number 7, eat right and sleep well. Make sure to take good care of yourself by eating right and sleeping well. Eat healthy and nutritious food, and get enough sleep, as this will be your fuel for the next work day ahead. Tip number 8, take time to recharge. It is important to recharge yourself to avoid the negative effects of chronic stress and burnout. You need to have some time to disconnect from work in order to relax, unwind, and spend time with your loved ones. This will help replenish your lost energy and reinvigorate your motivation and eagerness to work. Remember to establish rules for checking and responding to emails and phone calls while you're away, so as not to interrupt your recharging. Tip number 9, give yourself positive affirmations. Do not deprive yourself of positive affirmations. Congratulate yourself for a job well done, and celebrate wins, no matter how small it is. Don't be too hard on yourself over small or even big mistakes. There's always a chance for you to recover and do better next time. Tip number 10, get support. Having a network of family and friends who can provide you with encouragement and support can greatly help in managing stress. Also, there are various resources online, or possibly even with your employer, on stress management, that could possibly help you deal with workplace stress. We hope these tips will help you manage your work stress better. Please like and subscribe to help us make more and better videos. Thanks for watching.